Hello, welcome to Feng Cart. In this video, we are going to show you how the collection view layout can be updated in just a few clicks. First, the container view. Clean and organized. Change the container type images, shapes, and finally, image positions. You can choose left, right, or alternate. Next, big image with title. Perfect for bold visuals that stand out. To choose rounded or squared. And finally, the full image. Give your collections a rich, immersive look. Let me show you how this 3 layouts looks on the mobile app, and this change it's instantly. No need to publish a new app. Pick the style that matches your brand and launch instantly with Feng Cart. And finally, if you need help, just chat with us live. With Feng Cart, you can build your mobile app in minutes. No coding required. Try for free now. See you in the next video.